Let's have a look today at IPG's new Hub app, Extended Reality XR. Let's dive right in. Here, when you get to the home screen, you'll see a little button for Extended Reality XR. Go ahead and click on that button. We're going to go ahead and click on Cart Enclosure Machinery, bringing us to our next menu, and then you've got a number of options that you can go ahead and play with. So let's look at Cart Enclosure Machinery here and jump right into a showroom. Now you can walk around a showroom and actually interact with everything that's in that room. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the USA 2024. We're going to view an AR, and now you'll be prompted with a machine with a bunch of different little hotspots. Now you can turn this machine, rotate it. It's in great detail. You can get in very tightly on any of the rollers. So a lot of time was spent here making sure that this was to scale and that it was an exact rendition of what we've got. You can go ahead and click on one of the hotspots and you'll either be prompted with a little description or sometimes a video of that piece in action. So now we're going to go ahead and view an AR. So you simply click on that little view an AR button and there you go. It'll pop the machine down. Now from this view, you've got the ability to understand what this machine looks like at scale. You can actually make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can move it back, you can move it forward, you can rotate the machine if you would want to show an end user what it would look like on a different angle. Just a plethora of different things that you can do with it here to actually show that end user what that piece looks like on their floor, how much space it's going to take up, what its footprint's going to look like. Something that's been really, really popular here within the IPG Hub app.